YouTube channel. I am Prabhu KB, CEO of Ibocan. As you are aware, we are into the business of enabling wealth. We enable wealth through training, coaching, mentoring, enabling clients devise their own investment strategies through technology products and solutions. Vetri meaning victory, innovative investment strategies, so far, Sony far and Baumets. They are very powerful and efficient strategies, work on all market conditions. Every video we discuss what happened, why it happened, what will happen, why, when and how it will happen. Which is why I request everyone to watch the video till the end, click the bell icon, encourage your friends and known person to subscribe. See, people come and tell me that this market is difficult to trade and all those things. I'm sorry to say that we find it extremely easy. Okay, of course we also lose money, not that we don't lose money, but we find it extremely easy. When we lose money, it is minimum loss. We know that we have entered a wrong trade. That's it. That is the power of technical analysis. So today is 8 February 2022, Wednesday. Bank Nifty 41,537.70, 0.1% up, while Nifty had a big jump of 0.95% up, closing 17,871.70. See what happened. Bank Nifty and Nifty opened a gap up, but Bank Nifty apparently formed a Doji. If you recollect, yesterday we have told, day for yesterday we told Bank Nifty for the past 4 days, including today, 4th day, it is above the exponential moving average, 5 and 10 exponential moving average, but below the Bollinger Middle Band and the 20 exponential moving average. Hence, it is hovering around that levels. Then it is also slightly below the 20-week exponential moving average, which is why you see some sideways movement happening. In fact, I expect some more sideways movement. Tomorrow also I expect sideways movement. So it formed a Doji. Yesterday was a hanging man type Doji. Today is a clear Doji. So Doji means what? It is indecision. So then that means there can be many Dojis it can form, after which it can decide to move in a particular direction. But the trend is from lower to upward. But now because it is near the Bollinger Middle Band, one has to be little cautious. Nifty on the other hand, what happened? It formed a rising three methods. But after the second candle it formed. If you recollect, we have been telling in our educational video also, which we are going to come out shortly, where we have told very clearly, though the name is called rising three methods and falling three methods candles, it doesn't mean that after 2 or 3 candles there has to be a green candle, or after 2 or 3 green candles there has to be a red candle. It can be after 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, any number of candles. So that's something which one has to understand. The concept is, that is what Nifty formed today. So Nifty had a powerful short covering and it closed slightly below the exponential 20 exponential moving average. So now with this up move, so we cannot expect a corresponding up move tomorrow, and in fact tomorrow we will have some pullback in Nifty, which tells me very clearly that there will be some pullback in Bank Nifty also, but it will not go below the, it will take support at the exponential moving averages. Also, one more thing that is happening in both Bank Nifty and Nifty, which is very interesting, is the 5 exponential moving average, that is 5-day exponential moving average, which was below the 8 exponential moving average, which was below the 10. Now there is a swap that is happening. 5 is in between 8 and 10. If it doesn't hold for another few days, this exponential moving average, we can see that the normal trend of 5, below which 8, below which 10, that means it is in an uptrend. That can happen. So that is something very interesting. So also in the weekly chart, last week it had a powerful short covering rally, formed a piercing pattern type, both Nifty and Bank Nifty, after which we can expect there are only 2 types of candle it can form. One is that a Doji or a small spinning top or a small candle, or if the short covering is not power enough, probably another pullback from that, forming a red candle, that is possible. But looking at the structure, I don't expect a big fall in Nifty and Bank Nifty. With that background, let's go and analyze the individual components. Bank Nifty, Axis Bank, IDFC and Kotak fell 1%, while Yes Bank, ICICI up by 1%, Bandhan up by 2%. All others remained flat. HDFC is drifting sideways, hence one has to be cautious. So HDFC Bank is going sideways. On the financials, Manappuram fell 2%, while Bajaj Finance, Shriram Transport 1% up, Chola 2% up, Bajaj Finserv 1% up, Bajaj Finance 3% up, LIC Housing Finance also 3% up, and L&T 4% up. L&T Finance, I mean. So overall, if you see finance, Chola, we have been telling, it is in the monthly chart we told that 2 months of Doji, but above the exponential moving average, 8-month and 10-month exponential moving average, it closed in December and Jan. We said that signifies that it is going to be a powerful up move. That is what precisely happening. On the insurance and cards, LIC and ICICI General 1% up, ICICI Pru 2% up, SBI Life 3% up, HDFC Life 5% up. So today there was some good short covering in all these insurance because they had a significant fall. So don't read too much into it. Wait for solid reversals to happen before committing funds in a long-term basis. On the IT, Apple fell 2%, Coforge, TCS, SCL, Techem 1% up, Wipro, Emphasis, Infi 2% up, LTIM, LTTS 3% up, Birla Soft and Intellect 4% up. Intellect for the second day in succession, it is going up significantly, while the other IT stocks, Infi had a good up move. Because what happened, after touching the Bollinger Band, it came down near the exponential moving average, a powerful short covering. Now it is once again near the Bollinger upper band in the daily chart, which is good because in this month it opened in January, it found a doji, after which it opened a gap up. Obviously it has to close positively in this month. On the consumer goods, Hindustan Lever Coalpal Bata 1% down, Titan PVR Pidilite 1% up, along with ITC, Trent up by 2%. Automobiles, TVS, Hero Motors, Escorts, Ashok Leyland, Eicher 1% down, Tata and Motherson and Maruti 1% up. Metals, Coal India 2% down, Hindalco, Vedanta, NMDC, National Aluminum all down 2%, JSW down up by 2%, sorry. JSW and SAIL up by 2%, 3%, Jindal up by 4%. So, if you recollect, I said that there can be a short covering rally that can come in Jindal and metal stocks, Jindal in particular. So now once again it formed a doji. So hence, if it closes somewhere around this level by the end of this month, the short-term downtrend is arrested and it will continue its upward journey. Hence, one has to be cautious in metal stocks. Health and Pharma, Sun Pharma, Dr. Reddy, Cipla 1% up, Apollo Hospitals, Divi's and Lalpa 2% up, Metropolis 3% up. We have been telling about Apollo Hospitals. We are calling out each and every stocks, right? Others, L&T down 2%, DLF, Godrej, Indigo 1% up, Adani Enterprise 20% up. Yes, you heard it right, 20% up. Adani Ports 8% up, IRCTC MCX 1% up, Zomato 10% up, UPL, Aries, Delta Corp 3% up, Havells, Ultratech 3% up, while Nykaa 5% up. So what happened in Adani Enterprise and Adani? So it's a powerful classic technical reversal that is happening, technical bounce back. Of course, it formed a solid reversal the last 2-3 days. Hence, one has to be cautious at these levels. But if you're a small investor, be patient. Don't enter, don't exit. Every day there will be some beautiful movements up and down. So if you are caught on the wrong side, you will be in trouble. So with all these things, what do we expect for option expiry next week? That is tomorrow. So BankNifty, we have slightly higher the levels on the lower side, 4356.81, which is the Fibonacci 161.8, that will act as a support. While on the upward side, we are not changing anything. 42578, which is the 50 Dama, that is a daily moving average, that's going to act as a resistance. Nifty 17496.89, which is the Fibonacci 161.8, that will act as a strong support, while 18188 will act as a resistance, which is the 50-day moving average. Thank you very much.